Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You plug the mix amp into a USB port and switch it to PC mode. Doing that routes audio and chat correctly. Next, you connect the headset to the mix amp so microphone and headphones share the signal. Once done, open Windows Sound Settings and choose the mix amp as both default playback and recording devices. This ensures applications send game and chat audio to the headset. Make sure drivers install automatically, and restart the app or PC if Windows prompts you to complete setup. You install Astro Command Center to access firmware updates, equalizer settings, and profiles, updating firmware fixes compatibility and latency issues. Once updated, use the mix amp dial to balance game versus chat audio. Turning toward game raises game sound, toward chat increases voice. Then open Command Center to pick an EQ preset or craft a custom curve for clarity. This improves spatial cues and voice intelligibility. Finally, set the mix amp as the output in each game and set Windows microphone level around 75 to 90%, which prevents clipping while keeping voice clear. You test both voice chat and game audio by joining a party or recording a quick clip. That confirms mic pickup and stereo imaging. After refining EQ, mic gain, and the game/chat mix, save your configuration as a profile in Command Center so you can recall it instantly. If something goes wrong, first check USB power and the cable, then verify that mix amp is the default device in Windows and in each app. If there's still no sound, restart the mix amp and the PC to reset drivers and hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.